another trade review. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd. I was trading QQQ today. I seem to just naturally gravitate towards QQQ. We had a very bullish day. Apple was down a little bit at one point, but aside from that, I was seeing mostly green, and you see it on the chart as well. 5.85% profit loss, which is not a big day by any means. Still satisfied with both the trades that I took. I did one call and one put. Pretty much market open. We had a pretty good move up here. I'm going to hop into the 1 minute chart, which I mainly watch. And we had a pretty good move up. And I was close to getting in here, but these two candlesticks did not close above these ones. So I did not end up entering any position. RSI was getting pretty close to the overbought line, so I did not get in. Watch this move up. By the time I would have got in, I wouldn't have been comfortable. It would have been too late for me anyway. As you can see, we went over this line to overbought. So I was looking for puts, even though I typically don't like to go against market direction. But I did see that we were above this line. Knew we had to come back down at some point. Saw this red candle starting to form, so I got in around 9:58 when this red candle started to form, and sold right at the bottom of the second red candle, right at about 531.8. The reason I sold there, other than just being comfortable taking that profit, was the fact that this second wick on this candle did not go below this one. As you can see, it moved up shortly after, but back down to this 531.5 level that I've already made yesterday. So I could have potentially held it longer, but seeing just the volume and what RSI was doing, sold it a little bit early. Still satisfied with that trade though. Watching the market, had a little dip down, came back up even higher, and another dip down again. But we see the wicks touch these levels, but the actual candlesticks did not. So we were closing those a little bit higher. And this is the second trade that I made. This was my call that I did. Pretty much closed above, just above this 532. So I saw that as a support level, and I looked for kind of a return up to this 532.3-ish range. I was in this position not very long either, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. And I ended up selling pretty much right at the top here. RSI was coming up close to overbought. So that's why I ended up selling when I did. Of course, you can see we ultimately did move up past these. One thing to note, we are in monthly high right now for January. The last time we were up around these levels was around kind of this Christmas time, actually. Kind of topped out at this about 532-ish. I don't just trade RSI, but it plays a pretty big factor. Of course, all of these levels help a lot as well that I make the day before. And these were the two trades that I took today. I try not to have any bias as far as bullish or bearish. I just react to how the markets behave and adjust accordingly. Probably could have had um, some longer hold times, but there's nothing wrong with just taking profit when you see it. And that's pretty much it for today. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna see what the rest of the week has in store, and I will see you guys next time.